Welcome to another video from Darren Hickey, Hornby GWR. This time we're looking at another Hornby Thomas and Friends product, and it's a radio control and sound something I can't pronounce. I had this since I was a child. You got a little boy here with the controller that was basically like me, and basically you got like a building is like like that. So I'll show on the side what you get is that, and there's that, and the product number, if I can find it, if I get that to zoom in there. Don't ask me why there was an X there, I don't know why. So this is the back of Thomas and Friends box. As you can see, the different locos you can get, wagons and coaches, and here you go, just there, radio control and sound something, and that's the product number R9060. I think you can get this on eBay for second hand, so I'll put the link below in this video. So further ado, let's get it out of the box and unbox it. So I can grab the right pieces of things. All I probably have to do is the other way around as well, because it's been very long time since I've got this thing out, so just have to push it out both ends. Right, here's the radio control. I forgot to mention you need a 9-volt battery, and this is the battery what you need to use. So yeah, more analog control adapter, UK plug one. Doesn't transform into Optimus Prime. It's just there to stop people getting killed and electrocuted, and it just turns the power down. The next thing is the building itself. Comes with the bits here. Yes, that's came off. I just have to undo this with a screwdriver and then easily hook it back in. So I could do that, and you will see this operating with my other locos. This just to help to pull up the aerial, as I can show you now. And then you've got the roof, what just slots over the building, just like that, and you can extend the aerial like that, and that's how tall it goes. And so inside, that's where the sound bit is. It shows you like that, and it also comes with a power clip, so that's basically it. And then finally the instructions on how to use the controller. Yep, one-sided only, and it shows you there, and what you can see clearly. And then the other book is a massive one. As you can see, it's quite massive. Shows you've got one controller, one item of that, one transformer, one of those, and one of those. And this just shows you how to basically like set it up, how to use it, how to put the battery in, and the size of the track. And then it tells you about battery safety and not to keep batteries in and everything like that. So I'll get this set up, and the next video, when I look at a locomotive, we'll use this instead of the other controller and test this out on another locomotive. Thank you very much to watch this review. Please subscribe to my channel, please leave your comments below, and please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Right, guys, before you watch another video of Darren Hickey Hornby GWR, there's 3 steps you need to do. Step 1 is hitting the subscribe button. As you've done that, step 2, hit that alarm bell there. Step 3, hit the like button, and you'll get notification on when the next video is due for my next videos.